Hey, have you ever used an ultrasonic cleaner to clean your jewelry?
Yes, I have. But did you know that not all types of jewelry are compatible with ultrasonic cleaners?
Really? I had no idea. What types of jewelry should not be used in an ultrasonic cleaner?
Well, jewelry that contains soft gemstones, such as pearls, opals, and emeralds, should not be cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner as the vibrations can cause damage to the stones.
That's good to know. What about costume jewelry? Can that be cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner?
No, costume jewelry should not be cleaned in an ultrasonic cleaner either. The vibrations can loosen the glue that holds the stones in place, causing them to fall out.
Wow, I had no idea that ultrasonic cleaners could cause so much damage. What types of jewelry are compatible with ultrasonic cleaners?
Jewelry made of hard gemstones, such as diamonds, rubies, and sapphires, are compatible with ultrasonic cleaners. They can also be used to clean metal jewelry, such as gold and silver.
Thanks for the information. I'll be sure to keep this in mind the next time I clean my jewelry.
You're welcome. It's important to know what types of jewelry are compatible with ultrasonic cleaners to avoid causing any damage.